Not me having to swing by the office real fast. World. Needed some ice for the energy drink. Luckily, St. Patrick's cups. Probably the only one here. It's Friday. It's 7 o'clock. Everyone should be at a freaking bar or something right now. So, but we're about to get on the road. You need to be in bed.
Oh, say let's go, man.
Let's go, man. Oh. Mommy.
We made it.
I is speed.
I am speed. Not that shit cute, yeah.
Hello? 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 You know the pie? How you gonna got that?
Going in for a quick little Crackle Barrel run.
No?
Cold in Ohio?
Booster chair, boy. They gotta make it. Ready to get some snacks? Starbs. All right, so love this Starbucks here because they gave me a free freaking drink to try because I said one looked good. So let's get it. It was a sugar cookie, whatever, sugar cookie latte or something, but it's fire. It's really good. So now I've got two, double the caffeine, which I actually needed. So let's get. I got a protein one, the one I ordered, and then the one they gave me. So let's get it. D White in the building.
Think he's gotten cuter? Oh my god, it's killing me.
One put on his ornaments for the
My blue eye.
Oh, what you saying old man for? It smells in here. Did you use the potty? Why are you smelling? You've been asleep, bro? It's 4:45. I laid you down at like almost like 1 o'clock. You've been asleep all day, bro.
Agree.
McQueen. That's how you know we in Ohio. You pull right up to the coffee shop. The pistachio. That goes hard.
Send me that video.
I will. What's up, Zion?
Look at that one. Hey! I'm gonna get all this one off. Look at this one.
Going for a quick ride to the Dairy Queen, ain't that right? Dairy Queen. Bro, we out here moving like... We only had to go around the block, so I kept his jacket on. Sue me. It's like 50 degrees, I think, out, but we're moving like it's so cold. Yep. Rest in peace, my dog Turkey. Yeah. All right. It is Wednesday. We are working today. No work tomorrow, obviously, for Thanksgiving. Friday is a super light day. Just kind of monitoring our phones and emails. I'm excited to just be laying low this week. Once I get off tonight, my brother is coming to Ohio so that he can spend some time up here the day with us for Thanksgiving. Then he has to go back though because he has to work Friday. So sad, but also really cool. So we're chilling. Strangely enough, while I've been working, 9/11 documentaries have been being played. I don't know why. They just come up on my feed and they're super interesting. So, and then I've got cherry slush. Not a huge fan. I grabbed it at the coffee shop in like a last minute desperation. Like, what if I don't have caffeine tomorrow? When I went yesterday. So I'm a huge fan though of this is Alani. I like the peach ones that they have. Those taste really good, but haven't been doing energy drinks a ton just because I know that they're bad for you. So yeah, this is pretty much how working goes.
This here, Dwight, is what you call a dandoodle.
Okay. The Dan Doodle.
Yep, and I'm making a succotash.
We got a little something in the oven.
That's dandoodle.
That's Dan Doodle. Let's see what Oliver is doing. Watching cars.
Why?
It is water. And then I am heading to the gym. So see you all there. 8 o'clock. Bradley's on his way. He should be here about 11. So get a workout in, get some more episodes of Smallville, and greet him when he gets here. Almost Thanksgiving. Bro, it's literally snow on our car. What the heck? What you eating? Is that whipped cream?
No.
It's not? Is that a tradition?
A car? A car?
Yep. Alright, just got a solid little workout in. Had to stop by Walmart as well. Took 5 hours because they didn't have anything where they said it was. Going home and then showering, episode of Smallville, and then Bradley will be here. So super excited. And then we're getting up again to work out in the morning because I only have one day with Bradley, so gotta maximize the day. So here we are. Look at my dog. Let's go. All right, so morning, cup of Joe, and went out to start Bradley's car up real quick so we can go get a quick workout in before we stuff our faces today with all that Thanksgiving food. Kind of justify that extra sweet, you know. Yeah. Color Renko hat, fitted to the brim. Elite, which just dropped on the website. So by the time I post this, it may be an ancient hat. I need to start actually posting on time, so we'll see if my computer will allow it. But yeah, about to roll out. Oliver's in here watching cartoons. He's getting all kind of screen time. Is that bright? Sorry, bud. Getting it in. You know you're in a small town when you say, that's the coffee shop I want to try, and that's the one that I go to. And then the other one that I really go to is down the street, like down there. Oh yeah. Little salmon, bro. What do you think? What you got?
Oh, I got the cinnamon roll one.
Cinnamon roll. What's it hitting for?
It's smooth.
It's smooth. I got the salted caramel something.
Sweet and salty.
Sweet and salty. Oh yeah, it hits. These are super sweet. If you're full with sweet drinks, that's actually really good though. But like, that's what I imagined coffee tastes like as a kid when Granny was drinking coffee. You know what I mean? I'll be like, yeah, let me get that coffee, Granny. Well, maybe because Granny Ford really did drink sweet coffee, so she had coffee with her creamer. So let's get it. I'm driving the Juicy Jetta. Let's go. Look at me whipping the Juicy Jetta.
Coffee with the creamer is crazy.
Little breakfast. I forgot to film it beforehand. I'm too late.
Should I put some water or something in it?
Oliver. McQueen.
Sorry I couldn't be there. I had to work today.
Yeah, Papa getting money right now. He
Sorry.
getting to that bag.
Oliver, high five.
Oliver, you ready to eat for Thanksgiving?
Agree.
What do you think, bub? Say hey, cousins. I am.
Hello.
Hi,
And all the that you've done. Thank you, Lord God, for the families represented here. Blessing upon this meal. And I said we do this next weekend too.
It's not scary at all.
We find out who's behind it.
I love the wave. Okay, she's getting her plates.
Get my plates to go.
Plates to go.
I'm gonna get a couple more.
Wow, look at that. Bam, look, we're blinded. If we were wondering where the food went.
Hey, but look, these shoes are crazy, don't they?
Yeah, those are sick. This flannel though.
Isn't that nice? My mom got it for me.
Yeah, that goes hard. Oh yeah. See, Nate's styling and profiling. Hey, look at that. Look at this. Look, they negotiating for more.
It's about 2 days from now. So do you think you're going to want some more double eggs? 2 days, 3 more. See? You're stepping in. He's learning.
Yeah, I'm developing.
Do you think you want another bowl of succotash?
What is that?
Succotash is that soup.
My doggy about to roll out, About to hit that road. All right, everyone, let's cry. Let's cry while he leaves. Oliver. Oh. All right, baby, ready to rock. Head home. See y'all. All right. See ya.
Yeah.
See ya. All right, everyone. That's pretty much a wrap for Thanksgiving's 2025. This was super fun, right? Super fun. He's just singing. Just had an espresso shot at 8 p.m. Let's go home and act like we're going to sleep and watch more Smallville because we technically have to work tomorrow. So let's get it. Hey, Oliver.
Hi, Dada.
Hey, sing your song. Say, life is a highway.
Da, da, da. On the highway, on the mark,
Yeah, boy, let's go. Give me knuckles. Let's go. Mark. Getting ready to drop our car off because we have a little bit more work that needs done to it. Rolling through these Ohio streets, man. When I was in Ohio, this is how down bad I was. I interviewed for a job there at like a little car wash or detailer spot that they had, and they would not hire me. I couldn't even get a job cleaning cars, bro, and I love doing that. The come up has been real, but you know how that goes. So, yeah. Alright, we out here riding in the freaking tundra. I had to go pick up a rental because our car is probably not safe to take it all the way back to South Carolina because we've got a couple things to fix on it and we couldn't get them fixed right away. So right now we're picking it up from the mechanic's house, taking it back to our in-laws while we go home for a couple weeks, and then during Christmas break we'll have made a decision whether we're fixing it or getting a new car. So, or both, whatever. So, yeah. Bro, we're literally packed to the brim. Yeah. Golly. How you feeling, bud? Going into the Whole Food Mall. All right, high five. Here she goes. Cause my dogs got me. Cause my dogs got me.
Who are you? Get out of here! Get out of here!
Alright, so I am running on 2 hours of sleep. And I was texting with Jansen and he's like, hyping me up about running. Like, bro, if you dial it in for a year, you could be doing this, like, you'd be doing the influencer thing. So it inspired me a little bit. We got in from Ohio at 5 this morning. It is 6 p.m. now. Worked today. Haven't really slept. So gonna try to go for like 2 or 3 miles just to be moving. Building my mileage back up because I'm thinking about doing a half before the end of the year just to see what my time is. Last time I had like some stomach issues, so I didn't really get to see my time. Yeah, so super sleep deprived, but see what we're gonna get today. So let's send it.
You bleed for me.
What you want,